education is not preparation for life because education is life in itself. Hello friends, how are you? I am 100% sure that everyone will be fine at their home in this critical situation of Corona. Welcome everyone on your YouTube channel, Dr. Meena Singh. According to demand of all students regarding books of second semester, I have prepared this video. In this video, I have covered name of books which are important in BHU BCom second semester. So let's see what are they. So in BHU BCom second semester there are 6 subjects. First one is BCH 121 and that is business organization. Second one subject is BCH 122 and that is financial accounting. Our third one subject is BCH 123 and name of the subject is banking and financial institutions. Friends, our fourth one subject is BCH 124 business entrepreneurship. Fifth one is BCH 125 that is human resource management and short form of that is HRM. Our sixth one subject is information technology and business communication. Short form of that is ITBC. Now we will take one by one each subject and what are the books required in that subject. So guys, let's start with first one subject that is BCH 121 business organization. For this subject you can purchase 4 writers book. First one is by Professor O.P. Rai sir. He is from BHU. Name of the book is Principles of Business Management and it is by Wisdom Publication. Second one book is you can take Bisambar Jha sir. He is also from BHU and name of the book is Fundamentals of Industrial Organization and Management and it is by Novelty Publication. Our third book is Fundamentals of Management and it is by Professor Bisambar Jha sir and by Professor Shankar Nath Jha sir. Both are from BHU and it is from Novelty Publication. Friends, fourth book for business organization is by M. Motihar. Name of the book is Business Organization and Management. Our next subject comes BCH 122 Financial Accounting. For this I brought 2 books. First one is Financial Accounting by Professor Akhil Mishra sir and by Professor A.K. Pandey sir. And second book is everyone knows that is Dr. S.M. Shukla. Now guys, let's move to our third subject that is BCH 123. Name of the subject is Banking and Financial Institutions. First one is by Dr. R.R. Paul and name of the book is Monetary Economics. And second book is Money Banking, International Trade and Public Finance and it is written by M.L. Seth. Guys, आपके कर्म ही आपकी पहचान है वरना एक नाम के तो हजारों इंसान हैं. With these words, let's move to our next subject that is BCH 124 Business Entrepreneurship. Friends, for this subject you can purchase Professor B.K. Singh sir book and name of book is Entrepreneurship. Friends, from reliable source I came to know that this book covers whole syllabus and it is from Wisdom Publication. Second book for entrepreneurship is by G.K. Varshney and third book is by M.B. Shukla. Friends, it is very easy to give example but it is very difficult to become an example. Friends, our next subject is BCH 125 that is Fundamentals of HRM. Here I am providing you name of 2 books. first one is Human Resource Management by Professor R.S. Meena sir, and second book is by Dr. Rakhi Gupta. Both are from BHU, and name of the book is same, that is HRM. Full form of that is Human Resource Management. बच्चों, जब इरादा बना लिया ऊंची उड़ान का तो देखना फजूल है कद आसमान का. With these friends, go to our next subject, that is BCH 126 ITBC. Full form of that is Information Technology and Business Communication. Friends, once again you can purchase Professor R.S. Meena sir book Business Communication, and second book will come of Information Technology and Business Communication. Writer names are Virendra Kumar, T.D. Malhotra and R.S. Meena. Third book you can purchase of Rajendra Pal. Name of book is Essentials of Business Communication. Friends, for preparation of this video, I get help of many professors. They are from the DAV College, BHU, Vasanta College, BHU, Main Campus, BHU, and from R. Mehla PG College. If you like this hard work, then kindly subscribe this channel, because all the correct information you can get on this channel only. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching this video and giving you valuable time. Thank you.